Hello, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is Dari here. I am calling you from the head office. How is everybody doing today? Great stuff. You are all welcome. Who do we have here? First of all, can you all hear me loud and clear? Let's sort that out first. Can you all hear me first of all? That's the number one. If you can, let me know. So if you can hear me, then we can move forward. All right. Who do we have here? Good stuff. Who do we have here? We have Pony Party. Hello, Pony Party. Is that how to pronounce it? I hope I did justice to the name. Is it Pony Party or Pony Pat or Pony Party? Party. Okay. Oshokoya. Hello. Oh, Hamara. How are you? Oh, from this side. Which side is that? Which side is that? Which side? Tell me, which side are you from? Okay, by the way, okay. Can you type which side you are coming from today? Which side you are coming from? Which country, I mean? All right. Are you from USA? From Nigeria? From Canada? From India? From Mexico? From Australia? Wherever you are from, can you type it for me, please? Let us identify where you are coming from today. All right, so we got Hamara from Nigeria. Good stuff. Okay, so both are correct. Pony Part. All right, good. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. I have not made that grave mistake here. Joseph, how you doing, Joe? Joseph from Nigeria. All right, so Pony Part is from USA, Sacramento. Good. So it is your morning. Let me guess what time you are now. Maybe 11 o'clock, 11 a.m. Maybe, or earlier than that. Oh, Namibia, land of the brave. Yeah. Oh, wow. With those swords and those powers. Oh, good stuff. Land of the brave. Good stuff. Yes, thank you for that. Okay, EA from Ghana. All right. Ghana, the bedrock of Africa. Good stuff. Oh, Demi is from the Netherlands. Oh, good stuff. Netherlands. All right, Eurovision, right? Okay, Omara from Nigeria. Good to see you all. Okay, so guys, just pop in where you're coming from, and then we will start right now. A few things you need to know. This information is free. There's no payment for it, and whatever you are going to hear today will be genuine, and you can use it to trade your account. So we're going to give you everything that we know about this particular strategy. Feel free to ask any question you may have, and they will be happy to answer the question. So the information is used for forex market, to trade forex market, as you know. However, it's for information purposes only. Just a disclaimer that there's no solicitation for anyone to go ahead and do any improper trading. So it's for information education. If you consider it something that you want to use, you use it at your own discretion. Okay, so 9 a.m. Wow, that's because I'm at 5 p.m. now. So if you're at 9 a.m., I'm 5 p.m. That's 8 hours difference. That's a lot. That is really a lot. Sacramento. Okay, that's 8 hours to the UK. Wow, good stuff. All right, thank you so much, everyone. So we're gonna start now. Okay. So first of all, remember to give us a like button, and press your like button, and also don't forget to subscribe, because if you subscribe, you are going to get notification, and click the notification bell, that you want to be alerted when we have any new content and when we want to do something like this next week or in the future. Okay, so the thing we want to talk about today is magic of inside bar trading. Why do we want to do that? Okay, we know some people here are not new to forex. Yeah, we know some people are new as well. So if you are new to forex, let me know. If you are just new to forex, that is, you just started trading forex recently, you can make a comment that you are new to forex. Also, if you are joining this meeting or this discussion today for the first time, let us also know that this is your first time. Okay, so who are these training for today? They are for traders who are looking for a profitable strategy. So if you are a trader that you're looking for something profitable that you want to use for your own managing your account, you are welcome. But we need somebody with a basic understanding of forex. So at least you have some understanding before of forex. Even if you don't have, you have to study and read some books up. What is forex? How do you what is euro dollar? Why do you say euro dollar? Things like that. So also we want, if you are passionate about trading, then this place is for you. Okay, and if you want to grow your wealth, if your intention is to grow your account to become wealthy through education and through trading, this place is for you. Okay, all right. So if you have your money, you have some money you want to trade, yes, we can provide you with the understanding of how to go about it. But we need a quick learner. You have to be very fast. You have to grasp things very quickly. What we are going to show you, they are not going to be difficult to understand, easy to understand, but you got to be quick learner. Okay, and you got to be a dreamer. You got to be able to dream big. All right, so dreaming big means that if you can imagine, if you can look into it, if you can believe it, then you can have it. But if you can't see yourself trading successfully, then it might be hard to get there. So these are the conditions, that only simple conditions that you must have to take up this challenge with me tonight, okay, or this morning. All right, so having said that, we're going to look into magic of inside bar trading strategy. So we have discussed it before, so I'm not going to labor too much. I see we have just one person that is new, right? I see one person that said they are new. So if you are new, you catch up as we go. So what is a inside bar? Okay, so we're going to quickly do it. Inside bar, how do we determine direction of the trend? How do we determine strength of the trend? The setup, and how do we place the trade setup, and we do the summary. But what I want to tell you quickly is that this is just what you need to know, really. Okay, inside bar is a bar of any period in your chart that form inside the previous period. So this is the current period, and this is the previous period. You can see this current period is inside the previous period. That is what we call the inside bar. Simple as ABC. Notembeko, hello Notembeko, you're welcome. And Ohamara, you're new to forex and also new to this platform. Okay, you are welcome. Just take it slowly. We'll take it easy with you as well, but I'm very 100% sure that you are going to grasp everything today. Okay, so this is called the inside bar. Okay, if you look at your chart, you will see this formation in different places on the chart. Just the current bar that is formed inside the previous bar. That's what we call as inside bar. So we give a special name to the previous bar. We call it the mother. Like this one is the baby of this one. That's all we are saying, that this is the inside bar, but we give this one the name mother bar. So when we refer to the mother bar, you know what we are talking about. When we refer to the inside bar, you know what we are talking about. It's so simple. But remember, it must be completely inside the mother bar. You look at the high of the mother bar, that line. This line is the low of the mother bar. You can see the inside bar is completely inside the two lines. The high and the low of the mother bar, this bar is inside, including the wicks, including the 2 wicks, because that's some question that people ask. Does it include the wicks? Yes, it must include the wicks before you can say it's an inside bar. Okay, good. So it is an indecision candle, right? It is an indecision candle because when you are coming from an uptrend or when you are coming from a downtrend and you hit this kind of indecision bar. When you get here, it means that the market does not know where to go yet. So it is when you break here, if you break the up here, then you say the market decided to be uptrend. If you break this lower line here, you say the market decided to go downtrend. So this is very useful for us because it's going to tell us some things in the market. Okay, so it's going to tell us, one, the market is about to turn, and two, is telling us the market is stalling. That is waiting for something to happen. The market is waiting and to make a move. Okay, so when you see this kind of formation, note that the market is waiting to move. So it's going to move either up or it's going to move either down. So you'll be ready. Get ready to take action. Okay, so quickly, what do we use to do that? We use this indicator called moving average. So we are looking for when prices are above that moving average, we are going to buy. When prices are below moving average, we are going to sell. Simple. Second thing is we are going to use Bollinger Band as well. So Bollinger Band tells us the strength of the trend. So when you see prices are very close to the top Bollinger Band, it means that we are in a very high uptrend, very strong uptrend. The same thing when prices are very close to the Bollinger Band, the lower band, which says we are in a very strong downtrend. So we are going to use that. But we convert that Bollinger Band into what we call bandwidth. Okay, it's the same thing. Both of them are exactly the same. They just represent the information in a different format. This one is showing it in 3 lines. But this one is showing in colors. So for this one, what we need to know is when there's a strong trend, this bandwidth will be red. When there's a weak trend, this bandwidth will be yellow. So look at that. And if you put the two together, so we are looking for inside bar where when it's above the moving average, we have said we are going to go long. And also when the inside bar happens, we want to make sure that our bandwidth is red. Because when the bandwidth is red, it means we are in a trend. So we are only looking to take the inside bar that happens when the bandwidth is red. If the bandwidth is yellow or green, we will ignore it. Only when the bandwidth is red. You can see this one fall into that category, this one fall into that category, and the last two also fall into the category. This very one happen when the bandwidth is yellow. This very one happen when the bandwidth is yellow or green. So we are not interested in those two because the bandwidth is not red. Okay. Now, this is a kind of sample. Okay, so this is sample of inside bar. Okay. These colors, this is one indicator that just show you the inside bars. Okay, it tried to tell you where the inside bars are. So it shows you 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see this inside bar, the 4 of them, they happen below moving average. It means we are going to sell. Okay, and this other one happen above moving average. It means that we are going to buy. Okay, all right. So lastly, so how do you actually trade it? So once you identify inside bar, what you need to do, you need to place a buy stop above the mother bar and a sell stop below the mother bar. But because we are above moving average now, you can ignore the sell one because we are only interested in buying when we are above the moving average. Okay, so when you sell a stop loss, at some point your buy stop order will be activated. Once your stop order is activated, you place your stop loss below the inside bar. Okay, that will be your stop loss. Okay, your take profit will be 2 times the size of your stop loss, twice. But you can split your take profit into 2, make it TP1, TP2. But try and make at least 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. If your risk is 20 pips, your take profit will be 40 pips. But you can first of all take the initial profit when you hit your TP1, which is 20 pips, and your TP2 when you hit 40 pips. Okay, any questions so far? I don't mind to answer your questions if you have any. So now we are going to go into chat to look at the chart. So if you have any question before then, let me know and I will try and sort it out. Okay, so I'm gonna put the chart here now. Okay, all right, so this is the chart. Oh, inside bar is the best. All right, Zanen, have you traded the inside bar before? Have you used it before? Yeah, have you traded the inside bar before? Right, you've traded it before. Yeah, it's so simple to use, right? So tell me, what do you like about inside bar? Anyone that has used it before, what do you like? Okay, RK, you're welcome, RK. Yes, so you can place any of this here and you can view what happened. Okay, you can place any of this here and you can see what happened. Okay, so we're gonna take let's say we take this which one is this? Is Euro USD. Okay, let's look at this Euro USD. This is 4 hours. Okay, all right, this is Euro USD 4 hours. Let's trade from here and see what happened. Okay, so you see this is an inside bar. Okay, because it has been identified for you, but otherwise you can see that this mother bar, the next one is contained inside this mother bar. That is why it is painted. Okay, the indicator painted for us. By the way, let me show you all the indicator. So we have 3 indicators here. I'll show you on the screen so you know what indicator we are using. We are using 3 indicators. Okay, the first one is the moving average. I'll show you what is the settings. Moving average settings is 10 simple moving average, as you can see. 10 simple moving average. The next one is the bandwidth indicator. Okay, bandwidth indicator is the same setting as the normal Bollinger Band. 20-0, if you know Bollinger Band is always 20 and 2, period of 20 and standard deviation of 2. Okay, it's the same thing, only that here we are denoting things with color. So I like to use yellow for both yellow and red. So yellow and red. Okay, so and the last thing here is the PZ inside bar. The PZ inside bar, the job is just to identify the bars, to color the bar. So you can put any color you prefer. It will put it here for you. So these are the color we put for now. You will see those color on the charts. Okay, here we go. So we have all the 3 indicators. One, the bandwidth, the moving average, and the inside bar locator. Any question? What time frame do you use? Okay, so you use volume, divergence with days, market structure, break, and order book. Great stuff. Okay, Zaman, you know, if you wanna join me, you can come and join me on Telegram or on Discord, so I can give you more information and we can share ideas. Let me send you the link for my Telegram channel. I think you have good idea there, but I can also help you to fine-tune it, because sometimes you need a mentor to look at what you are doing and to help you, get it set up properly. All right, so I'm going to send you the link now. Okay, so here's the link. Okay, you can join that group. However, you still have to wait until the end of this presentation, because I have a gift to give anyone that stay to the end of this presentation. If you stay till the end I got some things for you. All right, okay, so now you see here. Okay, the way we trade this one is we put 2 lines. As we said, we put 2 lines, one at the top of the mother bar, and the second line at the bottom of the mother bar. Okay, so you are looking for when these 2 lines are broken. but because we're above moving average here, you don't really want to think too much about this lower line. You are only concerned about the upper band, the upper line. So when this one is broken, right, so that means you are into your trade here. So what you do, for example, if you want to trade this, you will do something like sell stop. So you go here and you say okay, well, the price is here now anyway, so this is old signal. All right, so you put a buy stop here, and you don't need a sell stop here because you are both moving average. So when your buy stop has been triggered, okay, then where is going to be your stop loss? So you've bought here, your stop loss will be just below. Your stop loss will be below the inside bar. That is the inside bar, right? The first one here is the mother, the second one is the inside. So your stop loss is below here. Then you calculate what is your stop loss in pips. So remember, this is 4 hours, so your stop loss is going to be big. So stop loss here is about 46 pips. So that means you are going to set your take profit as 46 times 2. Okay, so the first one will be 46. Let's say 46 is there, and the second one will be 46 times 2. Whatever it is, that will be your TP2. So what I do is when I hit my TP1 here, right, and then I will move my stop loss. I'll move it to break even. So I'll move my stop loss to break even. When I hit my TP1, I move my stop loss here. So at that time, price is here. In case it reverses against me, it will not touch my stop loss, but it will take me out break even. So, but first of all, I've closed maybe 50% of my trade at TP1. Then the rest of my trade will go to TP2. Okay, is that clear? Any question? Oh, Yeritan, how are you? What's going on? I've been missing you on Discord. You are trying to use to join the Discord group, and you were trying to join online. I was trying to help you. So if you still need my help, let me know. Okay, I think you must have seen my emails few times, right? All right. So this is how it works. Okay. So this is our first example. So we're going to do another example. Okay, now this time around, let me switch from this time frame to another time frame. Okay, let's say we switch to 1 hour time frame. Okay, so let's say we switch to 1 hour time frame here. This is the current. This is current bar. Okay. Now the question. Let me draw this. I'll draw 2 lines, as we've done before. I'll draw 1 line here at the top. I'll draw the second line here at the bottom. Okay. Let me ask you, can we take, let's say this market right now, this price break above here or break below here? Can we take the buy trade or can we take the sell trade? That's a question. If you think we can take the sell trade, you say yes. If you think we cannot take the sell trade or the trade, you say no. But give me the reason why we can't. So look at it too. Can we take it or not? The question is, you are asking, can this strategy be traded with a $10 account? Well, I would say $10 is too small. Depending on your broker, you can use $10 to practice. But if you really want to make good money, $10 is not enough to watch your time. Okay, no problems. If you need me to send you anything, you know my Telegram name, so just contact me on Telegram and I will sort you out. I will help you out. Okay, so anybody with that answer, so if you break above this line here or break below this line here, can we take that trade? So I need an answer. Can we take that trade? And if we cannot take that trade, why? Why can we not take that trade? Okay, why can we not take that trade if we break above that line there? Okay. Okay, if it break above this line, can we take that trade? All right. Okay, what I'm looking for, right? Let me what I'm looking for is the bandwidth answer. Let's see, look at the bandwidth. I said before we take any trade, the bandwidth must be red. Okay, you can see the bandwidth is yellow here. Okay, go for sell. There is another block above and imbalances. Look for sell above other book. Okay, all right. So here, because here we are not in a trend, you can see we have just gone into a range band market. That is why we have this yellow here, because we are just going into range band market. So you would not take any either buy or sell here. Okay, you will not do it. Now this line, although the buy line was broken, yeah, the upper line was broken, but we are below moving average. So because we are below moving average, you cannot take this trade. This trade is not tradable. Yeah, thank you so much. Yes. We are not on red color. You got it. You got it. All right. So this trade, yes, we can take this one because this trade is red, and also we see that it's above moving average, so we can take it. Let's look at one more. Okay, this one, yes, you can see when this one got broken, we are in red zone. So, and it's broken below moving average, so we can take a sell here. This is sell trade. Okay, let's look at one more. Here is a buy trade here, because when it happened, we're in a red zone, and you can take a buy trade there. This one looks like a good trade, but unfortunately when it happened, we are still not in the red zone yet. We are still in the blue area, so we will not take that trade. Let's see another one. Okay, this trade here, we are not going to take this trade because when it happened, we are in a yellow area, yellow zone. Okay, all these trades are all in yellow area. This one is in a red area. Okay, this one is a red area. That's in a red area. So we are looking at 1 hour as well, or even a 5 minute. I'm dropping to 5 minutes now. So I'm dropping to 5 minutes. Let's see if we get any inside bar on 5 minutes. Okay, so 5 minutes. Okay, one will not be a trade because when it happens, we are still above moving average, so it's not going to be a trade. Okay, let's see another one. Okay, this one will be a trade. When it happened, we are red. Okay, so you got the gist of it right now. Yeah, you got the gist. So you can trade any currency pair. You just drop them. Either you want to do 5 minutes, even 15-minute time frame. Okay, so you need to back test. You need to back test it with this indicator for at least 3 years data. Okay, good. What does red box, green box, and blue box indicate? Okay, so blue box mean that the inside bar was broken to the upside, right? The inside bar was broken to the upside. The red box means that the inside bar was broken to the downside. So blue box mean buy, basically buy. Okay, so if you look at this box here, it was broken to the upside. That's why it becomes blue. But if you look at the next box, it's broken downwards. That's why it became red. Okay, when it's green, the indicator assumes that it has not been broken yet. That is, the box is still intact. That's the difference between the 3 colors. When it's broken upward, it becomes blue. When it's broken downwards, it becomes red. When it's not broken at all, it still remain intact, is green. But usually, sometimes it's broken, but the indicator still thinks it's green. But you can use your own judgment. When you see something that is already broken and still remain green, you know that is incorrect. Okay, so let's look at other currency pair. Let's look at which one is this. This is okay. This one is what? USD card. USD card. Let's look at 1 hour. Okay, so this is 1 hour. This one is this one. You can trade this one. Also, you can trade this one because when it happened, when this one happened, we are in a red zone. This one is in a yellow zone at the time. But say for example, you want to trade right now. This is 1 hour chart. Now, what you can do is you can set, because this is current price, so you can set to order one. You can, okay, let's just say buy stop. So you can set 2 orders. One will be buy stop, the other one will be sell stop. So what you do, you say what the fact that you are below moving average, so you will definitely not be thinking of buying at the moment, so you only be thinking of sell stop. So you do a sell stop here, sell stop. Okay, let's just do that. So let's say sell stop. Okay, you put a sell stop there. Okay, right, so you put a sell stop. Let's just identify the sell stop by, yes, where is it? Okay, so that's a sell stop, but you have to adjust the sell stop and put your sell stop here, because you know this is where if the price touches that line and is going down, then you are going to get into that trade. Okay, you are going to get into that trade when the line is broken, when that order is taken. Okay, for the MA we are using 10 moving average. 10 moving average. Okay, we are using 10 moving average. Okay, so you can see here that is the sell stop here. So you are waiting for this sell stop to be broken. So once you know this is where your sell is going to be, then your stop loss is going to be just here. So that is your stop loss and this is your sell. And your take profit will be twice the size of this stop loss, because this is your stop loss. So you measure the size. Let's say you measure it here. The size here is 28 pips, 29 pips. So you then set your target twice. So your target will be, this is nearly twice the size of your stop loss. So your target will be around here. But when you get to your initial target, TP1, maybe TP1 is the middle here, you take half of your profits and you move your stop loss to break even. Okay, and then the balance of it, you take it at your second take profit target, TP2. Okay, excellent. Okay, John, form fitment. Okay, you're welcome. So that is how we trade it. It's very, very simple. You can use any time frame you like. Initially we're using 4 hour, but I realized that some people also want to trade a lower time frame. This indicator here will help you to filter out some really bad signals. So let's swap. Let's go to USD JPY. Wow, look at that, powerful. Let's see what happened in the last few hours. It looks like there's a news sometimes. Okay, so let's see if we have any inside bar around there. Okay, so there's one inside bar here, but unfortunately it happened in the yellow area. This is a good one. This is an inside bar in the red area. You can trade that. You can also trade this inside bar here. Okay, this inside bar is in yellow area. You can't take it. Let's see which other one. This also is in a yellow area. You can't trade it. This is a very good one. This one is in a red zone, so you can take it. So in this case, you can see that it's a small inside bar, but you're going to make TP1, TP2, TP3 as much as you want. So, and it's a sell, this is sell signal. That one is a buy, but as you can see, it's like a fake, it's a fake break. So sometimes you want to leave few pips before your order is taken, because you might see this once in a while, not all the time. You can, in fact, not common. You can see throughout. This is the first one we have seen so far. All right, so you are going to go through your chart. Like all this area, there's no trade because you have it's not red here. The bandwidth is not red. Hey, how long? Oh, you have to test this yourself. Okay, you got to test this yourself. We have been running this now for few on YouTube, maybe for a few weeks, but this strategy it's been around for many years. So you just have to make it yours. You're going to check it out. If it is not something that is of interest to you, you throw it away, because everybody have a flair for a particular strategy. So you look at something, if you don't like it immediately, if it's not your cup of tea, you will know immediately when you look at it as I'm describing it. If it's not your cup of tea, that you can't work with this, you will already know in your mind that, oh no, this is not for me. Easy, just leave it. Because if you don't really buy into that strategy, if it's not according to your psychology, your makeup, you don't, say for example, you are not the person that like to look at 3 indicators. You prefer to do a price action, so this will not work for you. Okay, so but if you're somebody that you're open to learn new strategy, yes, you can have a look and see if it will work. So you can try this on any different time frame. On this area here, this is we are looking at 1 hour time frame. That's a good one. As you know, that is not a trade because it's yellow. That is a trade. It's red. This is also red, but we cannot buy here. We cannot buy here because it's below moving average. Okay, let's move to something else. Let's move to indices. Okay, indices. Which one? Dutch Mark. Let's look at Dutch Mark. Okay, Dutch Mark. What? This is time frame. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this is 1 hour time frame. Okay, so here there's no trade here. No trade in all this area except this one, because here we are red. So let's say we want to take that trade on this. That will be your this is your buy stop now. This one is your buy stop. Oh, sorry, this is your sell stop. Not buy, sell. It's below. This is your sell. This is your sell stop. That's buy stop. But because you are not going to buy, because there's no break, there's no upward break, so this one become redundant. But at least this one is taken, right? So this one is taken. So here this one is triggered. Your sell stop is triggered, and then you set your stop loss will be just here, because that is the inside bar. This is the mother bar. The big one is the mother bar. That is the inside bar. So your stop loss is just above the inside bar. Okay, so that's your stop loss, and if you gauge it, you see times 2. Your take profit is multiplied by 2 will be, your take profit will be maybe somewhere around here, because that's twice here. Okay, maybe a little bit down here. Yeah, maybe this is your TP, but that TP is twice the size of your stop loss. So we are trying to achieve 1 to 2, 1 to 2 ratio, 1 to 2 risk reward, 1 to 2 minimum. Okay, but at the same time, when you reach 1 to 1 around here, you can close half of your trade and then move your stop loss to break even, just to protect yourself. Okay, Donald, can this strategy be used for other forex trading like crypto? Yes. You can see I've swapped from forex. I'm now dealing with what? I'm dealing with indices here. So let me see, is there crypto here? Let me see if there's crypto BTC. Okay, this one doesn't have a, Let me see if I show all. Let me show all because it should have BTC. There's a BTC. Yeah, it does have BTC. Okay, it does have Bitcoin. So I'm trying to look at Bitcoin now. Yeah, so we are now in Bitcoin. So you can see for 1 hour charts, Bitcoin is in a range, right? There is no trend. Okay, but here we got a trend here, right? So you can see he's red here. All these other ones are yellow. The first one in the red is this one. So if you want to take that trade, all you do is you put your buy stop there. Okay, you don't even bother putting sell stop because you are above moving average. So okay, so you get into a buy here. So you got into a buy position here. Your stop loss will be just your stop loss is below there, so you got your buy stop there, and your take profit will be twice the size of your stop loss. So your take profit will be somewhere around here. Yeah, twice the size of your, this is the size of your stop loss, and take profit is double that. But when you get to the middle TP1, you take half of your profit, you move your stop loss, you move it to break even, and then you wait until you get your TP2. If you don't, it might come back and hit your break-even point. That means that day you have banking at least TP1, and the second position or second part of your trade went out break even. Brilliant. Okay. Oh, Jit, hello. In fact, it's one of the reason why we move this session a little bit earlier for people like yourself. Is this time okay for you? Is it better for you? You remember we used to do it about 3 hours after now. About in 3 hours time we used to do it, but we move it 3 hours before for people like yourself, Jade, because it used to be very, very late for you. What's your time now? I hope you like that. Okay, so that is BTC. Let's see, what about Ethereum? Let's see, Ethereum. Any luck with Ethereum? We've only looked at 1 hour time frame. We can look at any time frame. Let's look at 4 hour time frame. So let me go here. Okay, so this is 4 hour time frame, right? So for Ethereum, okay, all right, let's just look at this screen. Let's start from here. This one is tradable, right? You can trade this one because it is in the red zone. Also, it's buy above moving average. You can see you hit your TP1 and probably TP2 as well. This one, even though it's in the red zone, but we cannot trade it because it's a sell, right? It's a sell because it's broken below the mother bar, the lower line, but we can't sell above moving average, so no trade. This one's a very good trade. As you can see, you make your TP1, TP2, and probably TP3 and TP4. Okay, very good one. This one also is a sell. If you put your sell order here and your stop loss over there, you can see your stop loss is still safe, and then you can take your TP1, TP2 on this one. This one is a valid trade. As you can see, you go short from here, you go short from there, and that's, in fact, your stop loss is very small. Your stop loss is here. Let me put it there. Okay, your stop loss, because this is the inside bar, that is not your stop loss, right? Don't put your stop loss on the mother bar. Your stop loss is on the inside bar. So this is your stop loss, very small, and look at your profit potential. So you can take your TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, and so on and so forth. So you can see that it works on this is, I'm looking at 4 hour time frame now for Ethereum. Let me go to 5 minutes. Let's just, for argument's sake, let's go to a lower time frame. This is 5 minutes. Let's go to 5 minutes. Okay, so for 5 minutes, I'm going to scroll to today. So all right, so for 5 minutes, okay, let's look at here. Can we take this trade? No, because this trade is actually in a yellow zone, Apart from that, you can see buy below moving average. No way. Okay, this one, can we take that trade? No, because sell above moving average. No. Can we take this trade? Good trade, but let's see whether we are red. No, we are yellow. Though it happened correctly below moving average, it sell correctly below moving average, but we are yellow. Okay, here, can we take this trade? No, because it's below moving average and it's a buy, so no. Now the question is, can we take this very one? Yes, this one is this last one is tradable because it happened below moving average and we have a bandwidth that is red. So ideally, if you are taking this trade, this is on 5 minutes, this happened few minutes ago, so you are going to put your sell stop around here. Your sell stop will be somewhere around there. Let me draw my line properly. Okay, so your sell stop is somewhere around there, and then your stop loss is just on that line there. Okay, so that's your stop loss. So you'll be waiting to hit your TP1. So you'll be few pips away from your TP1 if you have taken that trade. So simple. So it's 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. Okay, it's not too bad compared to midnight. Yeah, compared to 1 a.m. right? Okoli, all right, good evening, how you doing? Okay, you've not been trading, okay, because of your business. Oh, all right. It's better to focus, it's good when you have the time, you can come back and focus. So when you have time to trade, that is when you should come. Yeah, it's good to learn now, but to go live, you must have enough time to trade. Because sometimes it's good to take time to train yourself first. When you train yourself, you are ready for the war. You are ready to battle. It's like a soldier. Before you go into battle, you want to go to the camp first. So we're in the camp. We're in forest camp now. You want to go to the camp and get proper training, ready for war, ready for battle. So it's good that you are joining us for this training. So you need a proper training. Everybody needs a proper training, okay? Because what the proper training can do is to give you emotional balance. You don't get to war and you are thinking of what to do. You have to have thought of it way before the time, way before the war. Okay, if enemy comes, what are you going to do? If somebody is coming behind me to shoot, how do I protect myself? If I'm trading forex, how do I set my stop loss? If I lose 3 trades in a row, what do I do? So all these things you need to know beforehand, and that's what we teach. That is what we teach in yourtradementor.com. So because that's my group, I've set up a group just for people like yourself who want to learn the proper way of trading. So you have to learn it before you go live. People go live and then start learning. Okay, so by then you have lost 2 or 3 or 4 accounts. We all go through that process, so it's not just one person, it's everybody goes through that process. But our aim here, my aim here, is to make sure you don't repeat the same mistake everybody else is repeating. In fact, the person that just started, is a good news that you just started and you are listening to this one. So it's better you get the training before you fund your account. It's not for some people $1,000 is small. For some people $5,000 is small, but for some people $5,000 is a lot of money. So I wouldn't want anyone to waste that money. Okay, wrong concept, because some people have a wrong concepts about trading. Wrong concept like, if I have just $100, I can be making $1,000 every month. That's a wrong concept. So in my group, I will teach you and show you that you need to have a proper mindset, realistic target. Because when you are realistic, then it becomes real. But when you are not realistic, then you see the account disappear, it goes away, because it's an unrealistic thing that you are chasing. So chase a dream, but your dream must be achievable. Okay, so that's what we're going to show you. Right, so now we can see that this strategy can work on any instrument. So anybody wants to see any other instrument or any other time frame? Let me pick one here. Let's pick Aussie Japan. Yeah, let's just pick Aussie Japan. Let's pick Aussie Japan. It's 5 minutes chart. We are still on 5 minutes chart. So this is Aussie Japan 5 minutes chart. All right. Okay, so what can we see here, guys? Look at here. So here, this is a valid trade. As you can see, it's a valid trade. Okay, because we are red zone and we have a inside bar that happens above moving average. So as usual, you set your buy stop and you don't bother by the sell stop, because the sell stop you cannot take a sell above moving average. So your buy stop have been triggered, then you set your stop loss, which is similarly just here, because the mother bar and the inside bar, they are on the same line. Okay, they are very, very close. So here is your trade here. Okay, so that is your stop loss, and your target will be twice. So your target will be something like that, because this is like twice the size of this stop loss. Okay, you can see you can even get more than twice. You can get 4 times. So if you move this one to, let's say, to the top there, you can see you can get quite a bit of profit there. That is almost 4 times your stop loss. This is your stop loss. That is almost 4 times. So your aim is to get at least twice your stop loss, 2 times, because sometimes this strategy is not 100% accurate. It's close to 70%. So if for 70% you are able to get 2:1, and for the other 30% you lost, if you calculate it, you see that you will be in profit. Okay, so this is going to work ratio 1:2. Even if you don't get all the 1:4, at least aim at 1:2. This one is not a signal because it's a sell above moving average. Not good. That is not a signal because it's a sell above moving average. This one is a signal because it's a sell below moving average. Okay, so on this occasion, as I was saying, you can see here, maybe you haven't got your TP1 yet, and the price reversed. So what you are going to lose here is just your let's say you have your sell stop here, because I'm trying to analyze a bad trade. So let's say you have your sell stop, and then you have your stop loss above there, and you can see what are you going to lose. You're going to lose this. Remember, it's a 5 minutes chart. You're going to lose 5 pips, about 6 pips. So it's about 6 pips that you are going to lose. Okay, for this particular trade. Okay, so but for here, you remember you have gained quite a lot. You have gained quite a lot. All right. What is the name of the strategy? Okay, the strategy is called inside bar. Inside bar. Do you consider the sessions to trade this? Yes. Good question. Good question. Yes. Because you are looking to trade when we have a strong trend. And which session do we have a strong trend? We have a strong trend in Europe session and US session, and especially when these 2 sessions are combined together. When both Europe and America are in session, that is the best time to use this strategy. So you can work out what time is that in your zone. For me, it will be round about from anything from Europe starts at 7 o'clock in the morning, and US start about 2 o'clock. So from 7 o'clock, really, I start trading until say my 5 p.m. Like now, the market is going dull, right? It's going dull now because Europe has actually finished trading, and it's only US that is left. So in the next 1 or 2 hours, this strategy will become useless. You can see now. See, before now we are getting red. That means it's in a trend, and now we are getting yellow, 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 green, because we are no longer in a trend. You can see it's becoming flat. Before, when Europe and America are together, everything seems to be in a trend. And now when Europe has closed, and we are getting into this low point. At this point, you shouldn't be trading this strategy, but this indicator will actually help you not to take that signals. So if you find yourself trading at a wrong hour, this indicator will help you filter out those bad sessions, because when it doesn't detect volatility, strong volatility and trend, it will be either yellow or green. It will only be red when it detects very strong trend, very strong volatility and trend. It will be red. So this indicator will help you, and that's why we put this indicator there. But if you don't have this indicator and you want to trade just the inside bar, then target US and Europe session together. Yeah, you can target those Euro session together, because sometimes there are good trades that is being prevented by this indicator also. It's yellow, but it's a good trade. Let's look, for example, of a good trade that is being prevented. Let me see, because I know somebody has mentioned that before, that, oh, why do we use this indicator? We got a lot of good trades that is not, it says no all the time. Let me see if I can find one. Okay, like this one, yeah, you can see, yeah, this one is a good trade, but I think it's still saying red here. Then this one also might be a good trade, because when it's broken above, but it's been prevented. Okay, but I would say it's better to have it. You know, I would say it's better to have it. Okay, like this one, yeah, this trade happened when it's red. Okay, like this trade. Look at this trade now. This is the argument of some of my guys when they make that argument. Okay, right, this is a good trade, right? So this trade happened below moving average, and you can see it's a well good trade, which will give you at least TP1, TP2, TP3, maybe TP4. But we can't take that trade because it's yellow. Okay, because it's yellow, we can't take that trade. So some people argue that why do we need this indicator at all? So I say, well, try to consider, if you look at this time, this might be US and Europe session where the we got good volume. So test it out, but I will encourage you to start using the indicator. But if you find it not great, then maybe you can throw it away and trade without it. But it's going to help you to prevent trades like this, like trade like this, or the trade like this, like this trade right now, okay, or that trade, or this trade. They are all inside the yellow. Okay, can you trade it on the daily time frame? Of course. Actually, you know what, it is meant for higher time frame. When we started, we were using 4-hour time frame. We said we were using 4-hour time frame and daily time frame. Okay, we are using both 4-hour and daily time frame, but of course it's also useful for lower time frame. As you can see, this is 29th of March, 6th of April, 14th of April, 22nd of April, 30th. From 29th of March till 26th of May, you see no trade, because this thing is yellow. So you might wait for the whole of April and the whole of May, 2 months, no single trade, because we are using higher time frame, and also the bandwidth is yellow. So in that case, you will see that you will not have many signals, very little signals you are going to have. So if you are using daily time frame, though it's going to work, but you will have very few signals. Okay, how do we get this indicator? All right, that's a good question. Okay, so the indicators, as I said before, let me go to 1-hour time frame and then show you the indicator as well. Okay, so we have 3 indicators there. We have the we have the moving average, which of course everybody knows that. Also, we have this bandwidth, and we have the PZ. It's called PZ inside bar. So all those two indicators are custom. Custom means that you cannot find it on your MT4 platform, and that means I will give it to you. Okay, so I will give it to you, and where you can find it actually is very simple. In this same video you are watching right now, this live video, in the description, the indicators are there. I mean, the link to download the indicator is there already. Okay, so in the description of this video you are watching right now, if you go there, you find the indicator. Okay guys, give me like, please give us like button, click your like button, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click notification, because the time of this meeting might change. It was 8:30 p.m. before, it's now 5 p.m. and if this 5 p.m. We might decide to move it even to another time to suit other people, so we might not stick to one particular time to help everybody. If we are in Europe, for example, it's a very convenient time at 8:30. You are eating your food, you're 1 feet on the table, but somebody in India is 3 a.m. or 2 a.m. It's not good for them. So that's why we try to adjust it and move it around. Yeah. So we made these decisions to help everyone that wants to become successful in Forex. Okay, but remember that when you are trading Forex, don't invest the money that you cannot afford to lose. Okay, and when you have a strategy that works, keep to that strategy. I think last time I told you in the last week, have 3 strategies, then stick to them. Okay, have one strategy for trend trading, another strategy for range market, and another strategy for all type of weather, all type of condition. And when I mean all type of condition, I mean something like, price action. Price action doesn't matter whether it's a trend or no trend. It analyzes the market as it is right now. Okay, but for the indicator trading, there are indicators for trending and there are indicators for range. So you got to find which indicator work for trend and stick to that when the market is trending, which indicator work for range and stick to that when it is range band market. But this is what we are going to teach you in your tradementor.com. We're going to teach you all this. We're going to give you the tool. We're going to give you the tool for trend. We're going to give you the tool for range, and we are going to teach you price action as well. Price action. So the price action is a tool that once you have it, there is no one can take it from you. You can analyze the market yourself. You can see the market structures. You can see where the support resistance are. You can see all the trend lines, double top, double bottom, all those things, key levels. You can understand it yourself. So this is a skill that every trader needs to have. There's no two way about it. There's no shortcut. You can't become a professor and have a shortcut to becoming professor, except it's just a ordinary professor. And I've never heard of ordinary trader. I've not heard of honorary trader. You have to become a trader, understand how to trade. So don't move from one strategy to another one and another one every time. Understand one strategy, stick to it, and make it work. Okay, and you can't be casual. You can't be casual about trading. You got to take it very, very seriously to avoid constant losing. You cannot afford to be losing all the time. You got to stick to a strategy that gives you that winning mentality. Once you have that winning mentality, you can balance your emotion, and remove all self-doubt. Everybody have doubts, but once you have a balanced emotion and you stick to your strategy, then you can have confidence. And confidence, what does it give you? It gives you profit. Profits come from confidence, because once you have confidence in your ability, in your strategy, then it turns to profit. Do you know what turns to losses? It's confusion. Confusion turns to losses. So you start trading and suddenly you meet a challenge. You have a challenge, maybe you lost 2 or 3 times in a row. What do? You are confused, you throw the strategy away, you bring a new strategy, and which you think is going to solve the problem, but the same problem happen again. That is confusion. Okay, so guys, we provide pure education for anyone that wants to understand how to trade properly. I want to become successful in forex trading. We have been doing this for some time, and we have our students that can give testimonies to that. So with your permission, I will show you certain things this afternoon, and as I said, if you stay to the end of this presentation, I have something to give you. So we have a website called yourtradementor.com, and we have students who have signed up to understand how to trade forex, and I can assure you that we have growing number of students that are now profitable, but they have to take the first step. They have to take the challenge. They have to move towards their goal. They have to move towards their vision. If you create a vision of becoming successful, but you don't take the right step, one of the right steps is to get a mentor. You need to get a mentor that can teach you how to go about it. You know, you might spend maybe $10 or $50 protection. It's not a good idea to go to war and everybody. Some people had AK-47, some people had some cutlass, some people had spears, some people have arrows to fight, and you go to the war with nothing. I mean, what are you going to be? You're going to be the target. Everybody will be targeting that person because he hasn't come with a specific tool, with a specific protection to fight. So what we are going to do for you, we are going to give you that protection. We give you that tools to prepare yourself for the battle. Okay, so as I said to you, what we are going to do is what we have in plan for you is very great. So let me quickly show you what we have. Okay, so we have for you, we have created 3 packages to help you develop into a powerful, successful trader. Okay, on our website. Okay, let me give you the link to the website first, so you can go and have a look first at the website. Okay, so I'll post the link of the website here while I explain what it means. So that is the link to the website. Okay, so we have 3 packages on the website, but I'm going to show you just one package now. I'm going to show you the silver package. Okay, there are 3 packages. The silver package, we have the gold package, and we have the diamond package. But let me show you the silver package first. Yes, you can register there. Yes, correct. Yeah, Yeriton, you can register there, because we take you from being novice to become professional. Because our students, we started from scratch, so we introduce you from beginning. We assume that even if you know something before, we want to train you in our own methodology. We want to use our own method to train you up, so that you do exactly what we are doing. Because if you know what successful people are doing, just do what they were doing. Don't reinvent the wheel. Just follow their example. Okay, so we have 3 packages. We call it silver, gold, and diamond. So the silver package, what is it all about? Okay, these are the benefits. Okay, so we have a Discord group membership. Okay, for anyone that is a member of us, we also have access to this Discord membership group. Okay, in Discord membership group, it's a live group that is worth $500, but it's going to be part of your package. So automatically you become a member, and you will have access to all the previous signals, all the discussions, every trader that is there. You will be able to speak to anyone that is there, and speak to me as well. Then you have access to lots of training courses. Okay, and these training courses are on the website yourtradementor.com. Okay, on yourtradementor.com website, you have indicators and expert advisor worth over $1,000, and if you're a member, you will be able to download them for free. Okay, inside Discord we do live group training, just like I'm teaching you now. I'm also going to teach you inside Discord group every week, once a week. Then inside Discord group we have 3 powerful trading strategies. As I told you before, you need 3 strategies. Okay, one for trend, one for range, and the other one for all type of market conditions. So we have 3 powerful strategy already. If any of those 3 are not your cup of tea, we can, give you another one, because what we do is we match students with psychology with a strategy. So we just want to make sure that you are trading what comes naturally to you. Somebody that naturally want to trade longer time frame, maybe because of their work, don't give them 5-minute chart, because it's going to be useless. But somebody who wants a 5-minute chart, who want action, don't tell him to go and trade daily time frame, because it's going to be boring and no money, and it's not going to do anything with it. So we are going to match your psychology. We're going to match it with the strategy. These two have to work together. Okay, so also some people might just prefer to have signal only, just receive signal and trade those signals. So we provide signal. You remember that some people only signal, they pay for only signal online. Some people pay $50 a month to receive signal. Some people pay $20, $10, $5, $50, whatever they pay to receive signal, but you are not going to pay a penny to receive signal once you are a member. And also you have access to live trading room. This live trading room is very important. It means that as a member in Discord, you log in. You can log in every morning, every afternoon, any time you want, and some of other traders will be in the room, in the live room, and then you can chat together. You can discuss your trade. You can show your chart. You can post example of what you are looking at. Somebody else will post the example of what they want to take, the trade they want to take. Both, all of you can trade the same, take the same trade, or you decide to take your trade separately. So you have access to this trading room. As just like the signal, some people are charging $50, $100 to be part of a trading room. So if you put all this together, you can see this runs into thousands of dollars. Okay, but I know that if I ask you to go and bring it, even $2,000, $3,000 here, because if you add it, this is 1,000, 2,000, 4, 5, 5,250, 5,750. This is already over 6,000. Okay, but don't worry, you are not going to bring 5,000. You are going to be surprised what you are going to bring. It's not even 500. Okay, guys, wait and see. That is what you're going to sign up with. So if you go to that link right now, you're going to sign up with just $50. Okay, so this $50 is a membership fee to join us, and when you join us with that, you have access to all this stuff that we have said here. But remember, when you join us, make sure you contact us immediately to have this Discord group membership set up for you. I will send you email once you join. I will send you email immediately, right away. That email will contain a link to join Discord. Okay, so tonight you can still take part in the discussion tonight in Discord. Also, in my email, it will have what is called a coupon code. The coupon code will contain the code for you to download all the MT4 and Expert Advisor on our website. Okay, that will contain that. All right, so I've sent you the link. All right, so the link is this, so you can go there now and click the link and register. Okay, so Yeriton, yes, I think I answered your question. You were asking if a novice in Forex can register. Yes, of course you can. Okay, Jits, you say, could you tell us the color significance of this band which you use to filter trades? Okay, yes, I will tell you. Okay, all right, I will tell you the significance. Okay, there are 3 colors there. Let me quickly go there again quickly. Okay, I'm going to go there. Okay, so this is the color. All right, okay, so we have the red, we have the green and the yellow. Okay, what I normally do is actually both green and yellow, the interpretation for them is exactly the same. So that's why I like to make it just yellow color only. So I go here, so as not to confuse what they mean, I just make sure I have just two color, one yellow. So this lime, I don't want it lime, I want it yellow, so that I have only just yellow and red. Okay, then I'll tell you what they mean. Okay, so I've got only yellow and red. Okay, the first thing is only trade when it is red. That is what, first of all, what you need to know. Only take a trade when it is red. Don't take a trade when it's yellow. Why do we say that? Okay, let me quickly show you why. I'm going to insert the indicator. Everybody know that indicator, we call it Bollinger Band. So Bollinger Band is under trend. Okay, Bollinger Band. I'm going to insert Bollinger Band. So look at Bollinger Band. Period is 20, deviation is 2. If you check this bandwidth indicator, it's also same thing as Bollinger Band. It's just called Bollinger Bandwidth indicator. The period is 20, the deviation for that also is 2. Okay, let's say we do that here. I want to quickly show you what this color is doing. Oh, okay, let me make it bigger. Oh, sorry, accidentally deleted that. Let me insert it again. Bollinger Band, trend, Bollinger Band. So I want to make the lines to be thick. Yeah, I want this line to be thicker. Okay, let's make the line thicker like that. Okay, all right. So look at that. Look at when the Bollinger Band is squeezed together, the color go yellow. When the Bollinger Band expand, the color go red. That is what this is doing. Look at Bollinger Band, when it's squeezed together, the color go yellow. Let me scroll a little bit backwards so you can see. You can see each time it is red, the Bollinger Band expand big time. Let me squeeze this one a little bit. Okay, so that is the usefulness of this indicator, this bandwidth indicator. It's exactly Bollinger Band, but it tells the story using colors instead of using line. You can see here, look at here, Bollinger Band is contrasting, getting smaller, and therefore we get yellow. As soon as we get into a trend, you can see that trend there, it goes red. Let me squeeze a little bit again. Okay, you can see here there's no trend. Okay, that's where we have all this yellow going on. So it's actually preventing you from going into a trade when there is no trend. Okay, it identifies the trend and help you to jump into that trend. That's what it does. Excellent. Okay, so you can see now that with this combination of this bandwidth with bandwidth and moving average, you can trade this successfully, because the Bollinger Bandwidth and Bollinger Band are exactly the same indicator, just representing in a different way. That's why we delete this. We say we don't need the bandwidth, the Bollinger Band. We just need the bandwidth indicator. So we delete that off and we have this. So let me show you the property of this one again. I'm sure JIT has understand it, but just to round it up so that anyone else can understand it, let me show you the input. Remember, the input for Bollinger Band is 22, period is 20, standard deviation is 2. Look at this one as well. For the bandwidth, look at the settings. Okay, period is 20, standard deviation is 2. So they are exactly the same. They are doing exactly the same thing. It's just I like to interpret it in a color this way, so it's easy for me to quickly make decision. Okay, I don't want to be looking at the band, looking at the bandwidth by 3 lines. Oh, which one is closer? Oh, is it squeezing? Is it not squeezing? That's difficult to interpret. So that's why we have this indicator. All right. Okay, so JIT, you say you downloaded all my video series from YouTube. Oh man, don't worry. I mean, those videos have helped lots of people. I can't say whether hundreds or thousands of people, but the videos have helped a lot of people. So You're welcome. You're welcome. So so I've sent you the link, guys. I've sent you the link to register. But I also told you before, if you remember, because I can see we still have quite a lot of people online right now, and I want to give you something. I want to give you a gift, because I said if you stay till the end, you'll get something. So for staying till the end, let me now tell you what I'm going to give you. So I told you earlier that you are going to pay $50 to get all those package, all these things that I've mentioned before. You are going to pay $50. All right, but because you stayed tonight, you are not going to pay $50. You are going to pay less than $50. So I'm going to give you a 20% discount, okay, on the silver package. You already know, $50 compared to 6,500 US dollar. It's already a bargain, you know. But nevertheless, because you are here tonight and you are here, I'm going to give you 20% discount on that $50. So you are not going to pay $50. You are going to pay 20% less, only if you use this discount code. So you can see this discount code. Now you have to use it immediately today, because by the end of today, this discount code will be disabled, will not work again. It will only work till the end of today. So if you have the interest to join us, this is your best opportunity. So you are not going to join us just paying standard fee. You are going to join us by paying far less than the standard fee, okay? But remember, this is not going to be there you cannot see it there tomorrow. You can come back tomorrow and check, but I can assure you that it's not going to be there tomorrow, because by midnight my time, this code will be disabled. It will be deleted. It will be gone, because it's only meant for people that stayed this long. Even if you watch this video tomorrow and then you see this code and say, yes, let me go and use it now. Sorry, it's gone. It is gone. It's gone. So use the discount code. Yes. So you only pay 40 US. You only pay 40 US dollars instead of 50 US dollar. Okay. Guys, give me more likes. I have 17 likes already, which is fantastic. So if you haven't given me likes, I need likes. I eat likes. And remember, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. And make sure you give us likes, subscribe, and click notification, so that you will be informed. Okay. So as I told you, the Discord group is live, and we have a lot of users on it. And you know, signals are popping up every time, every day, every second on Discord. So we have our own signal that we give out, and members also give out signals. So you have a lot of choice. If you want to become a signal provider, you can come and join us. You become a signal provider, and you will see a lot of people will be looking at your signal. They'll be contributing to your signal, developing you into a solid trader. And once you learn something and you're able to teach to other people, then you become a teacher yourself, and then you can teach others and you become successful. All right. So if you, like me, you want to train other people, join us. You become a signal provider. If you want to just take a signal and trade it, join us. There is an open space for you as well. But we are giving you the best opportunity now today to join us. Not to pay the standard, you're just going to pay 20% less and participate in one of the best group on the internet right now, trading forex. Excellent. Okay, what benefit we can get? You're a beginner. Okay, if you're a beginner, the benefit you can get is that we will take you from scratch. Okay, so when you sign up, first of all, you go to our website, and you have videos for beginners, training for beginners, training for intermediates, and training for advanced. So I will encourage you, you will start from beginner. Okay, so you start from beginner, you go through the training, and once you finish beginner, you go move to the intermediate and then move to advanced. While you are doing that on the website portal, also you are on Discord to be mingling with current live traders, people that are trading live account, not demo. Yeah, we have a lot of people that trade demo, and we have a lot of people that trade live. And you will see when they post their accounts, the signal, and they post their performance, you will see that these guys are trading live account. And then you are going to learn from them while you are learning on the portal, training portal as well. So you have nothing to worry about, everything to gain. Okay, you got everything to gain. Beautiful. I like that question. It's a very good question. Very good question. Okay, you don't shoot us any back test results. Okay, so I want you to do that. Is your work. Okay, because when I say I'm training you people, I want you to be convinced yourself of a strategy that you want to use. So if you become my student and I will talk to you one-on-one, okay, we'll have different strategies. Not same strategy cannot work for everybody. Even if I tell you now, I've told you that this one is about 75% accurate, okay, but don't take my word for it. You got to do the homework yourself. You got to take that signal and test it and practice with it until you are convinced. If you are not convinced, then you implement a different strategy. Okay, so that's why you become the master of your own destiny. Don't rest it on, you can get a mentor, but the mentor is to teach you, and you are to take whatever they teach you and apply it to yourself. Okay, practical experience is needed in work as well as trading. Yes. So practical experience is what you gain when you start to do it by yourself, you know. But of course, if somebody wants to take a signal and trade it, it's also possible. You don't, not all of us can, trade and generate signal themselves. If they just want to take some signals, yes, of course, we can do that as well. Great stuff. I like these questions. So when you're on the website, as I said, you have access to, actually look at all the training materials for beginner, training material for advanced, and training material for intermediate. So you choose your level, okay? But we are not going to leave you just by yourself. We are there all the time to assist you. So you can reach us on Discord, you can reach us on Telegram, okay? I'm sure you know you can join the Telegram group. It's you don't have to pay anything for it, okay? You can join that. So on Telegram group, currently we have maybe about 1,160 people on Telegram. So if you join Telegram, it's going to be something that will be, let me show you our Telegram group. Okay, so this is our Telegram group right now. As you can see, the name is called Forest Simple Breakout Strategy, because that was the initial strategy we started, and a lot of people already mastered that strategy. So this intraday bar or inside bar is the second strategy we are bringing out. Okay, so you will come here, you will meet a lot of people. Some people will post chats, some people will give you their experience. This is a free group, so you can join this group. It's free, you don't pay anything for this. However, if you need actually to join our trading colleagues who are trading live account, then you have to register with yourtradementor.com. I think I send you the link. That is the link to register. Good. Anybody wants to see anything? Okay, any question? Okay, just say if you want to join, if I want to join your premium group, how can I join? Okay, right. So Jade, If you want to join, let me send you the link again. So all you got to do is to click this link here. Okay, click that link. Remember to use this code. When you click that link, you go to register. Okay, so you go to register, but when you get to register, remember to use the link. Okay, remember to use the code I just gave you, because if you use that code, it will reduce the money from $50 to $40. Let me remind you again of the code. That is the code. So if you go there, the link I sent you, if you click it and you click silver package, and when you get to checkout, you type in this code 7VPQ6E, you type it, and what you get $40 instead of 50. Okay, so let me show you quickly what I mean. So here we go. So this is the 3 packages. Okay, so we have the gold package and the diamond package. Okay, this is the silver package. These are all what you gain. So you get complete tutorial video, access to mentorship recorded video, you have 3 powerful strategies, you have premier indicators, you download them, you got access to membership forum, which is the Discord, you learn fundamental and technical analysis, live trading review, which is on the live trading floor or live trading room, and then you have general support from us. Okay, so that's for $50, but if you apply that discount, it will be reduced to $40 for you today. Okay, well, we have the gold package, and the gold package and the silver package, they are exactly the same. Okay, the difference is mentorship, personal private mentorship. Okay, so private mentorship, you can see on the silver package, on the gold package, you have 2 hours mentorship, 1-to-1. So you have a 1-to-1 mentorship with me. Okay, if you want to do this 1-to-1 mentorship, because in that mentorship, that is where I'm going to choose a suitable strategy for you. I will speak to you, I will understand you, what make you tick, I will understand the strategy that may likely suit you, and then I will do the recommendation. That will take about 2 hours. But if you want to spend more than 2 hours, and that's 1 day, for the 2 hours 1 day. But if you think you needed more than 1 day, I have a bigger package, which is 3 days, and that 3 days is a 6 hours. So 2 hours, you can choose the date and time that suits you, and this one is 500 USD. Okay, if you prefer either of these 2 packages, you can let me know, and I will extend. Yes, I will extend the discount to you as well. Yes, I haven't done that before. I'm going to do that for the first time today. If either the gold package or diamond package is the one you are interested in, let me know, and I will give you that 20% discount on these 2 as well. I mean, 20% discount of $50, that is $100 discount. That is huge. That is $100 discount on this diamond package. That means you are going to get 3 days one-on-one with me. You can ask me any question. We are going to do it on Zoom. You see my face, I see your face. We will talk. You will see my screen, I'll see your screen. I will hold your hand. I will show you everything you need to know, how to do the trading, what time to start, what time to finish, everything you need to know. You can ask me any questions. Okay, so that is, it will be dropped from 500 to 400, and it's just only for tonight. So if that is your interest, okay, let me know, and then we will make that happen. We will make it happen for you. Yes. Yeah. Diamond. Oh, there's a platinum. You want platinum? Who want platinum? Okay, the link to Telegram. All right, I'm gonna send you the link to Telegram. Who want the platinum? All right, we're gonna create platinum for you, specially for you, right? All right, platinum package. Okay, so this is Telegram. As I said, you can, that's the Telegram group. It's a free pack, it's a free group. you can click and join the Telegram group. And yes, definitely I will. Yes, I've seen somebody that registered. Okay, if you are the one that just registered, make sure you check your inbox. In your inbox, if you can't find our email, check the spam or junk folder, because sometimes it goes there. But definitely you will receive email, and the email will give you access to Discord and will give you a coupon code to download. Because in the store, if you go here on our website, okay, so here you register. Once you register, you can log in. So you log in. When you log in, that is where you have all the training materials, the videos, the PDF files, everything for beginners, intermediate, and advanced. Okay. However, if you just want to first of all download some indicators, you can click store. When you click store, you go there and you can download indicators and expert advisors. Yes, Mohammed. Hello. What can we do? How can I help you? How can I help you, Mohammed? All right. So here in the store, we have some indicators here which you can download. If you are not a member, you may have to pay for some of the. You have to pay all this amount of money. But if you're a member, you can download any of these for yourself. As I said, the other time, I saw somebody that's signed up that day, and within 24 hours, they downloaded over $1,000 worth of indicators and expert advisors, and they only pay $50. Are they smart? Are they a smart person? Yeah. If you are the one, will you do exactly the same thing? You pay $50 and you download something over $1,000 worth. What do they call that? Is that smartness? All right. So you got access to this area as well as a member. Okay. Because once you get the code, the coupon code, it will drop this amount to zero. All this 50 you see here, it will drop to zero. So you check out, you still check out just like you want to buy, but it will not require credit card. It will not require any payment. It will say zero. Okay. it will not require any payment. It will just give you zero, and then you can pay for it, and you download it for free. You get the link to download it. All right, thank you so much. Anyone else who hasn't given me a like button, please do. I really love to get this like button from you. Thank you so much, everyone, tonight. It's been very good. I hope this time is work for you. If this time work for you, we'll keep it, or we might try another time next week. Or let me know now. Is there anyone that has a special time or specific time that work for them better? If you prefer a specific time that you think is going to work for you better, let me know. You can type it. I will see if I can we can make it work. We can try it next class. Okay, we can try it next class and use that time first and see right. Okay, I think there are a few questions I haven't read here. I think Okoli say, what of the SBS is still in use? Yes, Okoli, yes, SBS is still in use. Sorry, I missed that that question. Yes, as you can see, this group is SBS, Simple Breakout Strategy. That is what this group is all about, and people are still trading SBS strategy. Okay, we are still trading SBS strategy, which is working. And somebody asked, how long has we been working? This SBS strategy now has been working for over a year, at least in our group. Okay, brilliant. So it's quite okay. You are welcome. We are welcome. You are welcome, EA. You are welcome, Zaman, Mohammed. You are welcome. Everybody here, you are welcome. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me know if you have any question, especially the people that just joined. Expect your email. Make sure you check your junk folder. The email might have gone to your junk folder. Check it out. Brilliant. So this is a very simple strategy that we have been talking about. It's been working now for over a year. So, but you got to test it yourself and make sure it fits with your psychology and with your trading style. Okay. If your trading style similar to this strategy, good. Otherwise, we will design a new strategy that fits your trading style. Oh, good stuff. Thank you so much. Thank you. So we're gonna be rounding up now, and I need my likes. I need my likes to go up. I need my likes to go to 20. Okay, so we are 17 now. So if you haven't given me a like button, make sure you do that before we round up. Make sure you do that. If you have any questions about the strategy, also you can ask me. I'm here to answer any question. All right, so in summary, this is it. It can be used on any instrument. We started with a higher time frame, but as we have seen today, that you can drop to a lower time frame. But what I would tell you is make sure you always use your stop loss. Okay, a trader that doesn't use a stop loss, they have a kind of psychology that doesn't want to take a loss. But if you don't take a smaller loss, what happens? You are going to take a bigger loss. There are a lot of strategy that doesn't implement stop loss. I know. We have grid strategy, we have martingale strategy. All those strategies, some of them don't trade stop loss. So you can see you have a 90%, 95% win rate. So each time you win 5 pips. And somebody now have a stop loss of 500 pips. So what they are saying is that stop loss will never be hit. So they have a stop loss of 500 pips. They have a profit target of 5 pips. So they are avoiding to hit a stop loss. So what happened is they now have 10 trades, 15 trades in the system. All of them on a drawdown, carrying 50 pips, 80 pips, 100 pips, 120 pips loss. But they haven't closed them because their stop loss is so wide, 500 pips, because they don't want to accept any losses. And their take profit target is only 5 pips. Unfortunately, they couldn't hit the profit target, and there was bad news to that pair, and it goes south from there. So as it went south, they keep on carrying the losses. They couldn't take that small loss, so they start carrying until either they run out of money, because that's what is going to happen. You are going to run out of money, that is margin call. Either you got a margin call, or what happened is you eventually go and hit that 500 pip stop loss after like 2 months of carrying those heavy loss. Can you consider what kind of frame of mind that person will be? You're gonna be in a very bad frame of mind for 2 months because you are carrying those heavy loss. I'm telling you what is going on in the market. That's what is happening. Some people will carry trade that are carrying losses of 100 pips, 150 pips for 3 months. And what effect would that have? You might not even be able to talk to your family. You might be moody. You'll not be happy for 2 months. But what were you supposed to do the other way? Is to cut it when it was maybe 7 pips stop loss. Cut it and move on. So I will encourage you, always use stop loss when you trade, especially this strategy. Always apply your stop loss. It's a fantastic strategy that works. You can use it to scalp, and you can use it as a long-term trade as well. Okay, so this is Aussie Japanese yen. Yeah, you can see Aussie Japanese yen. You can see that's a very good trade there. This is a 5 minutes. That's a fantastic. I think we saw this before. Yeah, this is a fantastic trade. Let me go to 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Okay, that one, there's no trade there because it's yellow. Here there's a trade here. Say for example, you are trading 15 minutes. now you'll be in this trade. So you know what, now you'll be in this trade. For example, you just the question before was why is it remaining this color. Okay, so here you put your buy stop there. You can see your buy stop has already been triggered. Yeah, and you're already in some profit. Profit of about, how many pips is this? Just about about 4 pips. So you are already in profit about 4 pips, and your stop loss, as we said, your stop loss will be just here. Your stop loss will be below there, and that's where you enter the trade. Okay, that's where you enter the trade there, and your take profit will be double that. So your trade profit will be maybe just a bit less than that, maybe somewhere around here, to just double your profit, your stop loss. So now, before you know it, before we close this training session, you can see for this Aussie Japanese here 15 minutes, you are getting close to your take profit target. In fact, by now you will have hit your TP1. You'll have taken your TP1, and you are waiting to take your second TP2. That's simple. That's how the strategy works. It's so simple. Okay, good stuff. All right, thank you so much, everybody. It's nice talking to you. My likes, 2 more likes. It's now 18. 2 more likes. 2 more likes. Thank you so much. Appreciate your time, and I'm glad that I was able to help. As you can see, we are very close to that take profit target, and that is just simple. Remember that all these things you put in the terminal. So you put your stop loss there, you put your take profit target, and you just wait and see when your take profit target will be touched. As you can see now, we are nearly getting to our take profit target. We are getting to our take profit target. All right, so that is how this system works. So if you want to learn more about the system, if you want to know more about this particular system, or even the previous system we have taught, or any other system that we know about and we'll teach our student, you register, as I said, and you get a great discount for registering tonight. Okay, so let me send you the link again. That's the link. You register that through that link, and then you become a member, and we will teach you the correct way. We'll teach you this strategy very well. You see it, how it works in life environment, and then other strategy as well, and you can become a successful trader. Thank you so much. So for the last time, if there's no more questions, I would like to round up and say thank you and good night and good morning and good evening wherever you are. Thank you for joining, and I hope to talk to you again shortly. Thank you.